Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2011 Subaru Liberty, stock number 6741. This ran from the 7th 2009 to the 11th 2014. It has an EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory manufactured tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory manufactured tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear boot lid 1 dent. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory manufactured tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory manufactured tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front caddy slot, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,